It's fuzzy. All right, you guys. Sponsor has sent me these Sogric net lighting. Okay, so these are kind of for your Christmas trees outside, your Christmas tree inside. You can use them for whatever you want, kind of like that. They're meant for outside, on trees and so on and so forth. But we're going to have a look in the box and see what's in there and see what it comes with. Okay, so what's in the box? All right, we got a little note from the manufacturer. We've got the remote control. We've got instructions, which I encourage you to read. And then we've got the lighting. Okay, so the lighting is, these are the IP67 waterproof lights. It's 200 LED warm white lights. Okay, so they're not yellow, they're white. Comes, like I say, with the remote, which you can change all kinds of different modes. And you can do it manually too. It's right here, so you can click that and it'll change the modes, flashing, long on, long short, whatever. Eh? They're connectable, so if you want to add another string of lights to this, you can just plug it in right there and turn it on, and off you go. But we're going to have a look, and we're going to drape it over a lilac bush, and I don't have spruce trees or whatever outdoors that I can do that to here. Like I say, you can take it inside and put it on your Christmas tree. And then we're going to have a look where they're permanently going to stay right there in the she shed. That's where they're going to go. I'm going to stick them to the roof, and we'll have nice light at night in there. Okay, we got her set up. We'll see what it looks like at night. But you can see that it's got about 20 feet of cord that you can run to a plug-in. That's super convenient right there. Okay, let's run through this remote while the light is shining before dark here. On, off, 6 hours, 8 hours, and this number here, it says 6639. 6 hours on, 6 hours off, 3 hours on, 9 hours off. So that's kind of a schedule that you can hold every day. When you do push one of these, and you don't want to do that anymore, just put timer off and it will shut those off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is your modes. Okay, so you've got the combination mode. In other words, it'll do all the modes in a setting. Okay, then you've got number 2 is slow go. Then number 3, you got sequence, okay, which is a single light bead. And then number 4 is the in wave, so waving, it kind of waves. Number 5, chasing. It's a double light bead chasing, okay. Number 7, which is a twinkle. And then you've got number 8, which is steady on all the time, okay. Then you've got the dim, and you can go 25, 50, 75, 100% on those. Just go up and down, and when it's dark out, you can see how bright you want them, okay. But all in all, it's pretty simple. And then if none of this works for some reason, you can use the manual mode on the adapter, okay. I mean, you can't do all this on from the adapter, but at least you can turn it on and off and change modes with that one, okay. Now the battery in here is the CR 2025, and so when you want to get that battery out, and you may want to do it when you get this machine, it'll come with a piece of plastic that you pull out. You may have to come out just to rub it and turn it. That's what I had to do to get it to work. But anyway, so you just move this little clamp here back that way, and you can slide it out, okay. And that's where your battery sits, right there. We've got different modes: 1, 2, 3, we got 4, there's 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nope, there's 7. Okay, now 8. There we go. Now 8 will stay on full time. All right, she's all set up in the she shed, and just use the remote, turn everything on. See how that lights that up inside there? Now, if we're in there and we want to change settings, you just use the remote and do whatever you want. Different types of settings. Oh boy, that's crazy right there. Okay, if I want them to just stay on all the time, I just hit number 8 and off they are. But yeah, they look fantastic. Took a little bit getting them up, but yeah, all in all, great lights. And the remote, actually, it has to see the controller. I figured that out. But yeah, you can go back at least 15, 20 feet and it'll still work. But all in all, great product. All right, that's my review.